Yes. Yeah, it just crashed, so you're gonna have to um, restart it. Hit the power button and hold it down for like 5 seconds. Uh huh. I'm making a video right now, so I'm not looking at your screen. Just I'll look at it in just a second. I'm trying to go back through and make the video. Now I'm gonna probably have to move that out till tomorrow. Would that be okay? Alright guys, go ahead and get to a good stopping point and save your work. We will I'll put the due date. I'll probably move this out till tomorrow, Wednesday. We need to get this finished up so we can spend the rest of the week on the marble project.